Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Alfa Romeo Tonale on a 73 plate. So I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and run through a few of the controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area of it first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically. It will also open remotely, so you can do it from the key itself. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have our reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well. In that bag there, you can see we have the charging cables for the hybrid element of this vehicle as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through a few of the controls on the inside. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, firstly you can see that these fantastic alloy wheels are all in wonderful condition, as is the bodywork the whole way around the car as well. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. You can see in the centre we have a digital readout for the speedometer. Directly above that, the word ready is indicating that this vehicle is technically running. It's currently in EV mode using the hybrid motor, and you can tell that by the EV down in this bottom corner here as well. The total miles are 2,486, so very low mileage for the car's age. We have the fuel gauge on the left-hand side, the battery charge level on the right-hand side. If we back out to the steering wheel, firstly the minus and plus paddle so that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Your buttons to start and stop the engine in the car. We have our cruise control and our adaptive cruise control settings just here as well. Over on the right hand side, stereo controls. This button will change or allow you to change the information that's displayed in that central section. You can use this roller to then change the information itself. Over into the center, we have the main touchscreen for the vehicle. So we're on the home screen there at the moment. You can pair up your phone, of course. You can access your audio menu just here. You can do the same thing by hitting media, and then up in that top left-hand corner, you have sources, which will show you your FM, DAB radio, Bluetooth audio, USB input, AM radio, Alexa as well. So plenty of ways to listen to your music in this car. We've also got satellite navigation as well. Really nice clear color display, as you can see. It's a very easy system to use. And on top of all of that, a parking camera with guidelines that show you what direction the vehicle is headed in relation to the image shown on the screen. And we have a visual guide to the sensors on the left-hand side as well. Below that, we then have buttons for our dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the driver and passenger temperature, the fan speed up and down, the direction that the air is being distributed in, the air conditioning on or off, or hit auto. The car will now take full control to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. You can hear it taking control of the fan speed in the background. It'll also take control of the direction of the air as well. You can manually override that whenever you wish to. We have a 12-volt charging socket, USB-C and USB-A input, wireless phone charging available just here. This is Alfa's DNA. So this is where you can change the driving setup of the car from dynamic to natural or neutral, and all weather or all road down the bottom here. So you can, depending on the conditions and the way you want to drive the car, you can also make adjustments to the suspension with that button in the middle. We have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, the volume for the stereo, and then your electronic handbrake just here. The last thing I wanted to run through is the paperwork we hold for the car here. So you can see the V5 registration document just there. That is the spare key for the vehicle, so this is a 2-key vehicle in total. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour of the car, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.